This week on Game Day Grub, presented by Tico People's Gas, Angie Baselli and Chef Tony, well, they have something special for the new year.
Welcome to Game Day Grub, presented by Tico People's Gas. We're here in a Dreamfinders Homes model in Longfield Preserve, which is a natural gas community. And I'm here with Chef Tony from Publix, and we are cooking up a fantastic New Year's menu. What do we got?
You know, there's nothing better than ringing in the new year with something exquisite, tasty, elegant. We're gonna do a butter-basted rosemary steak.
Can I cook this?
Of course you can. It's one of the Publix simple meals.
Okay.
And it's a fantastic, so right here, perfect grilling steak, New York strip. I want you to season it with salt and pepper.
Oh, first.
Yeah, right.
Getting the herbs all
get up
going
high.
here.
Get up about a foot,
high.
right? Because when we're up far, we can be a star right here,
Okay.
right?
Pepper?
Yep, a little pepper on it too. I'm gonna go
Or
ahead
kind
and
of a lot.
look, I'm gonna turn it. Let's do the other side because I plan on eating both sides, Angie, not just the one.
This
Okay.
is too good not to.
So you can see how
When you go higher, it helps.
it disperses it in a better pattern. So this is all seasoned. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn back here to our pan. I want you to bring the rosemary and garlic with you. We're gonna come back over here, turn to our pan where we have a steak searing over a natural gas flame where we have this wonderfully controllable heat. And look, I mean, look at the crust on this steak right there. Does that look beautiful or what? I'm gonna go ahead and put my butter in the pan.
All of that?
Oh, what?
Oh, no wonder
Wait,
I'm gonna love this.
huh?
Wow, this is definitely decadent.
Look. Now we'll go ahead and throw the garlic and rosemary in too. It's
All of
because
it?
all of it.
As
Just
is?
throw it in. Because what's happening now is we're infusing the butter with these wonderful flavors.
Oh
And
my
when we say we're
gosh.
gonna baste the steak, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. Now, I'm gonna turn it so you can see that side too. We got a good color on that. That natural gas really coming through for us. I'm gonna put this on top, like that. I'm gonna grab a couple of these garlic cloves.
Oh my
I'm gonna put them
goodness.
on top as well. Oh, I'm gonna
You
put
can't smell this, but
You wish you could. Watch
Yes.
this right here. Hold on. Oh, we're not. Oh, this is what butter basting means. And this controllable heat that natural gas allows us, lets us do. This is a great French technique. And you do this right at the end of the steak being cooked. So we do this a little bit like that. You see it running off the steak. Our steak is beautifully medium rare. How do I know? I have that cook's timing going on. So
wow.
I'm gonna give it 2 more spoons. We're gonna let it rest off the heat.
Oh, it just smells amazing.
And we're gonna serve this with some oven-baked risotto.
For the butter-basted rosemary steak recipe and a look at all the Game Day Grub segments, make sure you visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.